All right, so I just want to go over a couple things before we get started. So some information on the project files and asking for help. So each lecture will contain the full project code up to that lecture. So if you get stuck, you always have that code to go back to and compare. The package code will never contain the Node modules folder. There's no reason to include all those third-party modules, so just unzip the file and run npm install to install the dependencies. All right, now I can also almost guarantee that every single one of you will get stuck at some point, okay, unless you're some kind of genius. And it could be just a misspelling, or you're missing ending parentheses or something like that. So make sure you examine and you look at any errors that you get, and you try debugging the code yourself first. If you can't find the problem, then go to the Q&A section and post your issue. Any error messages you get, a screenshot if you can do that. Anything like that will help. Now, if I can't help you or no one else can help you, I may ask you to email me your code so I can take a better look at it. So if I do that, just package it up in a zip file and leave out the Node modules folder. Okay, please don't email me as a first measure. Always use the Q&A section first, and then I'll ask you to email me if I need to. All right, and please be patient. There's a lot of people that I need to help from this course, from other courses, from YouTube, people all over the place. So I'll do my best to help you out. Just please be patient. All right, now as far as updates and versions go, we're using Express 4, which of course is the latest stable version. Whenever Express 5 is stable, whenever that is, I think it's going to be a while from now, I will update the course or add on sections, but please be sure that you use version 4 for this course. Okay, so from what I've read, version 5 will have very little breaking changes anyway, so chances are updating these applications will be very easy. All right, now if you find a bug in either one of these projects, please report it. If it's a big enough problem, I'll do a video addressing it. There's always a chance that a problem could arise when you're building a new application in different situations. So if you do find something wrong, please report it. All right, so I think that's it. Now in the next section, we're going to get everything set up, and then we'll move on to start building our applications.